Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another unboxing video. I'm really excited for this. It's a bunch of comics that I've picked up over the past month or so, and all I'm going to do on this is I'm going to unbox them for the first time and have a little look at them. So let's get into this one. So Clive the Chicken is sitting nice and comfortably. I hope you are as well. As we get into these, I have got my scissors, and what I'll do as well is I'll put the camera up above the desk so you can have a look at some of these in a bit more detail as well. But the thing is with these is I've sort of forgotten what some of them are. But what I know is that there's one absolutely beautiful cover here, which I think might end up being one of my all-time favourite covers. That's what I'm thinking. So this one here, this is in the Forbidden Planet box. Also, I wonder sometimes whether I should skip doing the unboxing bit, but I don't know. So what's this one going to be? Let's have a look. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. This is in a nice little package. What's this one? Oh, I know what this one is. This one is absolutely brilliant. I've got I've got issue 108 of Batman, which has got a character called Molly on the cover, and I've actually picked up two different versions of the same comic. So let's have a look at this one. Yay! So what I love about this one is, well, it's quite interesting actually having these two side by side. This is Batman issue 108, and it says Molly is in the house. So I think for me, I like it with the pink background better, but I like the one with the blue background better because it's got, the one with the blue background has got nice, less text I suppose, but I do think they've done a good job of putting the text into that one. That's cool, that is. Absolutely beautiful. Little Clive, he's falling over. Look, back to front Clive is. Little Clivey, sitting there like that. We've got another one of these somewhere. I wonder if it's this one. But that's from, I believe that is an Artgerm variant. And then this other one, there's another one, which is from an artist called Sun something. So what's this one here? Oh, they've done it again, look. We've got backing boards on the front and back. So this one is, what's this one? Oh, I know what this is. This is Harley Quinn. So this one goes into my collection. Harley Quinn 0. And this is a director's cut. So from the new 52. So I haven't got this one. I've got issues 1 to 30, I think, or something like that. I've got quite a few of these issues, but I haven't got this one, issue number 1. So that one really was just for me collection. What do I think of the cover? I do like the cover. It's just not amazing for me, that one. So far, my favourite cover is still Batman 108. That's what I'm thinking. Let's get into this one. Actually, I'll save that one for later. Let's get into this one. Dun, dun, dun. This is cool. I love unboxing things, because even though you know what you've got, you sort of forget. Ooh, what's this one then? Oh, this might be I think it is. Oh, this is brilliant. So this is from Forbidden Planet. So I've got a grab bag, and I've got a cover here which is beautiful. Have a look what's in the grab bag. Harley Quinn. Oh yeah. This is the thing, this is why I love grab bags. Because with grab bags you don't know what you're going to get. So sometimes you might get something really amazing. Sometimes you don't, but I love the fact that you don't know what you're going to get. So I'll open that in a minute, but this one here is the cover I love. I think this is beautiful. So this one is called Sirens Gate, issue number 3. I just fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. I love the connection between... I always love it when you get a character with an animal. So that one there, actually I think that's my favourite cover so far. Yeah, I think it is probably. So let's get into this grab bag. This is exciting. So we've got a Harley Quinn. Oh, one of these is in the bag as well. We've got a Harley Quinn number 18, which I think looks beautiful. That's a really cool cover actually. I really like that one. This one that's in the bag is in issue number 1 of Fortnite and Marvel. That's interesting. Zero War. I didn't know Fortnite did something with Marvel as well, because I've actually got some. I've got some issues of Fortnite and DC. That's quite interesting, that one. Looks a little bit like Freddy Krueger in the background there. What's this one here? Do a power blob or something. Do a power bomb. Yeah. Issue number 4. That's quite interesting as well. That's from Image. That's quite interesting as well. This has been a really good grab bag, and the last one is Thor. I saw that before. Yeah, I saw Thor before. Issue number 27 of Thor. Quite a nice cover actually. I'm not normally into my bloke covers, but I like that one. And on the background, on the back we've got a Spider-Man, which is quite cool. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I got a Harley Quinn in the grab bag. That's like amazing for me, that is. So my favourite cover though so far is still this one. I think that's brilliant. So what's this one here? I actually thought this one was the Forbidden Planet one, but it's not, it wasn't. So what's this one, I wonder? I think this one might be, I picked up about 7 issues of a comic called Egypt. Because I've been collecting Egypt from the comic shop. So let's have a look at this one. Yeah, this looks like a big bundle of comics. I wonder what this one is. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, it is. It's me. What I did was I picked up a collection of a comic called Egypt, which is an old comic from from the 90s or something. Yeah, this is cool. We got Egypt number 1, Egypt number 2, Egypt number 3, Egypt number 4, Egypt number 5, Egypt number 6 and Egypt number 7. Yeah, so what happened here was I've got a couple of these issues from the comic shop, which I picked up for £1, and I thought to myself, I really want, because this has actually got time travel in it as well. So this is a comic I want to read. So what I do is, if I pick up a comic and I really like it, and I want to read it, I'm probably going to pick it up on eBay. That's what I'm thinking. This next one, nicely packaged, but I wonder if this is the, oh, this might be, there is one in here which is just so beautiful. I can't wait to see it for real. Is it this one? It is. This is probably going to be my all-time favourite cover ever. It's a cover by the artist Loish, and Loish is one of my favourite artists who does she did a cover for Imagine FX magazine. It's this beautiful issue number 3 of Horizon Zero Dawn. So what I do at the end of each month is I do like my top 10 comic book covers, and I got a feeling this is, I can't see anything beating this one this month. Absolutely love it. I love the way her hair is flowing. So for me that's going to be my favourite cover, I think. Yeah, I do. So this next one, what's this one going to be, I wonder? This might be the Batman. I'm thinking, I can't remember what some of these covers are, but I think, I've got a feeling this one might be the Batman. Batman 108. Oh no, this is cool as well. Sheena Queen of the Jungle, issue number 5. I can't remember the name of this artist, but what I've done is I've saved some artists' names on my computer, and I'm going to start trying to collect covers from those artists. And this artist is one of the artists that I want to collect all the covers. I absolutely love this one. What I like about this one is the look in her eyes. I love the colour. I love everything about this one. That's what I'm saying. How can this cover not be my favourite cover? It's just, this is what I'm saying. Absolutely beautiful covers. And this last one, I can't remember what it is. Oh yeah, this is going to have to be the Batman. Batman 108. So this must be the Artgerm Batman. Yeah, I'm still a bit confused with all the names and things. Because I am still quite new to collecting comics. But I bought a few comics off of somebody on eBay. And, oh, they're all bag and box. Ah, these are beautiful as well. Yay! So firstly, the Batman 108. This is the other version of Batman 108. This must be the one by, I'm not sure. I want to say this is the one by Artgerm. Absolutely beautiful. What I want to do is I want to compare the two covers, the two 108s from the different artists. Oh, it's got the name of the artist there, Khamunaki. And if you look for that artist on eBay, have a look at some of their art, some of their covers. But look at what I love that two different artists have brought this same character to life in beautiful ways. I would say probably my favourite one is the Artgerm one, whereas before I thought it was going to be that one. So that's quite interesting. But my favourite cover is still this one, the Horizon Zero Dawn cover. But these are lovely as well. So we've got two covers for Demon Days. Demon Days X-Men issue 1 and Demon Days Cursed Web issue 1. So this one here has got the Virgin variant. Oh, that's interesting. They put the they put the wrong one in the wrong thing. But oh, that's nice though. You can see the you can see. I like both of them. But that Virgin variant, I could put that on my wall. And then we've also got this one. Beautiful. So that's another thing. I would like to sort of collect these Demon Days covers as well. So little Clive said it's game over, sunshine. He's had enough. I hope you enjoyed this though. I absolutely loved it. And just look at all these beautiful covers around here. It's brilliant. Yeah. So for me, my favourite cover is definitely this Horizon Zero Dawn one. But these are my top 3 favourites. And I've got a feeling I'd like to collect a bunch of the same cover, the same comic issue, but with different variants, because it's quite interesting to see how different artists bring the same comic to life. But also the biggest excitement moment was getting this Harley Quinn, getting an issue of Harley Quinn in a grab bag. I never thought that would happen. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one.